If you want to take a closer look at this YETI cooler right here, we're going to do that in just a minute. But me and my family have been using this for years. We've been using it to go camping. We've been using it for entertaining at parties and things like that. And especially notice the difference in using a cooler like this compared to others when we're out camping, because the ice that can hold in this, especially if you have other food and things like that in it, can last for days. So very useful, but let's take a closer look and see some of its other specifications. Here we got the T-Rex lid latches. They're built to last. They have an ergonomic hand grip and they grip the lid tight. You can grab that lip right there and pick up the YETI 65, or you can use these rope handles over here. These are double hull handles. That's a military grade polyester rope made for extra durability. Here you can see how strong this cooler actually is. I'm about 160 pounds jumping up and down on it. And it's got tie down points right here to make sure no one runs away with it or steals your stuff. When you open it up, you'll see tons of space on the inside. It has a lip here to hold up baskets. We put this cutting board in the middle of it. We find that to be fairly useful doing that. This basket comes with it for things you want to keep dry, and a cold lock gasket that keeps out the heat and keeps in the cold. And that wraps around the interlock lid system, which creates a form-fitting barrier against the heat. And it's certified as bear resistant. And here we'll see the never fail hinge system. And that includes 2 hinge pins with an interlocking design that keep it from ever breaking. And here you can see what it's like for one person to pick it up.